Kyoto, Japan, Travel Guide. Welcome to Kyoto, Japan, a city where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Today, we invite you to embark on a journey through time, exploring the timeless beauty and captivating stories that make Kyoto a living, breathing tapestry of history and culture. Once upon a time, in the heart of Kyoto, there stood a shrine dedicated to Inari, the god of rice and prosperity. This was Fushimi Inari Shrine, known for its endless path of vibrant red torii gates. Each gate was a gift from a grateful devotee, creating a tunnel that seemed to lead to another world. As you walk through these gates, you can almost hear the whispers of prayers and the footsteps of pilgrims from centuries past. Not far from there, nestled in a lush garden, was a magnificent golden temple known as Kinki. Legend has it that this pavilion was once the retirement villa of a shogun who sought peace and beauty in his twilight years. Covered in gold leaf, the pavilion glistened like a jewel, reflecting its splendor in the tranquil waters of the pond. It was a place where time stood still, and the soul found serenity. Further west, in the enchanting Gion District, lay a bamboo grove unlike any other. The towering bamboo stalks swayed gently in the breeze, creating a soothing rustle that echoed through the forest. It was said that the spirits of the forest danced among the bamboo, guiding travelers to a place of peace and reflection. Walking through this grove, one could feel the ancient magic that lingered in the air. In the heart of Kyoto, the Gion District came alive as the sun set. This historic geisha quarter was a place where art and tradition flourished. By day, the streets were lined with charming wooden machiya houses and tea shops. By night, the lanterns glowed softly, and the graceful geishas, with their elaborate kimonos and delicate performances, transported visitors to a bygone era. Gion was a world where elegance and mystery intertwined. Among the many wonders of Kyoto, there was a place known as Nishiki Market, Kyoto's kitchen. Here, the bustling stalls offered a feast for the senses, with the rich aromas of fresh seafood, pickles, sweets, and street food filling the air. The market was a vibrant tapestry of flavors and colors, where each bite told a story of tradition and craftsmanship passed down through generations. And high upon the hills, overlooking the city, stood Kiyomizu Temple. This ancient temple, with its wooden stage jutting out over the hillside, offered breathtaking views of Kyoto. It was said that drinking from the Odawa waterfall, which flowed beneath the temple, could grant health, longevity, and success. Visitors came from far and wide to experience the magic of Kiyomizu and to find inspiration in its timeless beauty. Kyoto, a city where every corner holds a story, where the past whispers through the present, and where beauty and tradition are cherished and celebrated. As our journey comes to an end, we hope the tales of Kyoto have inspired you to seek out your own adventures in this extraordinary city. Thank you for joining us on this timeless journey. Until next time, may your travels be filled with wonder and discovery.